From the exterior, coming down the path, it kind of looks like a dog, a wolf, some kind of creature up in the sky. And then you go to the back, it looks like a rabbit. So it's really fun to listen to all the different interpretations of the space and what it reminds people of. Hi, I'm Chereen Fisher. Welcome to the Bloomhouse. The Bloomhouse is very interesting because you can't hang any piece of art in here, so the home is the art. This house is a very unique construction. It is spray foam that has been carved and then plastered with accents of cherry wood placed into the home. Structurally, the house is very clever and creative and probably one of a kind. It was featured in the Modern Museum of Art for significant architecture. The vast majority of the people come and just stay in the home. They're here for 2 or 3 days. They take the moment to just be together, turn off their cell phones, turn off their socials so that they can reconnect with the people they care about. I would say the thing that I hear most that people love about this house is actually spending time outside. You can look towards the house so you can see all the amazing architecture. You can look the opposite direction and see all the wooded landscape and the valley down below. I see animals out here all the time. I've seen fox. I've seen the largest praying mantis I have ever seen that looked like a Disney character right down on the path. So when you first come in, it can be a little bit disorienting because it is not your typical home. And there is a sensuality to the space. Each of the rooms are designed for togetherness, communication, and pulling back and kind of going back to your roots. I think it's an amazing piece of Austin history, and hopefully we'll be here for years and years to come.